Life is a whirlwind. Days blur. We chase big dreams and milestones. But happiness often hides in plain sight. It's in the small, simple joys, like the aroma of spices simmering on the stove, the quiet satisfaction of chopping vegetables, or the warmth of a home-cooked meal shared with loved ones. These moments, though fleeting, nourish the soul. They remind us to pause, to savor, to find contentment in the everyday. Food, in its purest form, is more than sustenance. It's a conduit to connection, a bridge between generations, a tapestry woven with memories and traditions. The act of cooking, of transforming raw ingredients into something delicious, is an act of love. It's a gift we give ourselves and others, a simple pleasure that nourishes both body and spirit. There's a certain magic to home-cooked meals. It's more than just the taste. It's the love and care poured into each step. The choice of ingredients, fresh and vibrant. The sizzle of garlic and olive oil. The anticipation building as aromas fill the kitchen. This is soul food, made with intention. Restaurant meals, while enjoyable, lack this personal touch. They're often heavy, laden with hidden sugars and fats. Processed foods, convenient yet devoid of life, offer empty calories. Home cooking allows control. You choose what goes into your body. You nourish yourself with wholesome ingredients, prepared with love. The benefits extend beyond taste and health. Cooking at home can be therapeutic. It's a mindful activity. The rhythmic chopping, the gentle stirring, the focus required, it calms the mind. It allows you to step away from the digital world and reconnect with your senses. And then there's the satisfaction of creating something from scratch. The pride in serving a meal you made with your own two hands. The joy of seeing loved ones enjoy your creation. These are the moments that matter. These are the moments that bring true happiness. Cooking is about more than following recipes.
It's about understanding the interplay of flavors, the dance of salt, fat, acid, and heat.
These elements, when balanced, create a symphony on the palate.
A burst of freshness from lemon juice, the richness of olive oil, the grounding warmth of spices.
These are the building blocks of deliciousness. Experimentation is key.
Don't be afraid to deviate from the script. Taste as you go. Adjust seasonings. Trust your instincts. Cooking is a journey of discovery.
It's about finding what excites your palate, what brings you joy. The beauty of home cooking lies in its flexibility. You can cater to your own preferences, craving something light and refreshing. Whip up a salad bursting with seasonal vegetables, in the mood for something hearty and comforting. A pot of soup simmers on the stove, filling the house with warmth. The possibilities are endless. Each meal is an opportunity to create something unique. Something that reflects your mood, your creativity, your love for food. This is the joy of cooking. It's about expressing yourself through flavors. Food has the power to connect us, to create memories that last a lifetime. Think about the meals that have stayed with you, the holiday feasts shared with family, the simple dinners with friends, filled with laughter and conversation. These are the moments that weave the tapestry of our lives. Cooking for others is an act of love. It's a way to show you care, to nourish not just their bodies, but their souls. The effort you put into a meal, the time you spend in the kitchen, speaks volumes. It says, I value you. I want to make you happy. Food can also be a source of comfort. A warm bowl of soup on a cold day, a slice of freshly baked bread with butter. These simple pleasures have the power to soothe and uplift. They remind us of home, of love, of simpler times. In a world that often feels chaotic and overwhelming, food offers a sense of grounding. It reminds us of the importance of slowing down, of savoring the moment, of appreciating the simple things that bring us joy. Life is a balancing act. There will be ups and downs, triumphs and challenges. But amidst the chaos, there are moments of peace, moments of pure, unadulterated joy. These moments are often found in the everyday, in the warmth of the sun on your face, in the laughter of a loved one, in the simple act of enjoying a delicious meal. Cooking and eating are not just about sustenance. They're about savoring the moment, about appreciating the flavors, the textures, the aromas that tantalize our senses. It's about being present in the moment, grateful for the abundance that surrounds us. Let us not take these moments for granted. Let us cultivate a sense of gratitude for the simple pleasures that life offers. Let us find joy in the kitchen, in the act of creating something delicious and nourishing. For in the end, it's these small bites, these little delights, that add up to a life well lived, a life filled with flavor, connection, and happiness.